It's just there's nothing there. Well, some of the stuff was looted. Just be all the good stuff was picked over. Starting to sound like a motorbike. Let's see if there's someone hanging around here. I feel like there's just like a random guy. Oh yeah! Suck it, team. Suck it long. Suck it hard. Why do you carry a 9mm instead of the 45, Ben Sam? Yeah. Goodbye, Twosome. Why would you put both guys in like a 45% health vehicle and just sit in the middle of nowhere? That had to be, it was like 45. There's like nothing there. A person? Good morning, Sofusik. Oreo pancakes. That actually sounds amazing, Naga. Is that actually a link? Like, is that actually a thing? Obviously it's a link. Is that actually a thing? That would be amazingly tasteful. Oh my god. They added armor. It's effective against all attacks. What, you mean like plated body armor? It doesn't always work. It doesn't always seem to work. I've only seen the durability drop on it once, so. You can't tell where anyone is because no one's making sounds because there's no sound. Okay. No! Yes! Did I just kill him? I don't know. I don't know, guys. No, I don't know. He's dead. He's dead! Another twosome! Oh my god. Big backpack.
Feel the power of the Emperor!
Oh my god! Grimiz! Thanks for the raid, or host dude. I appreciate it, bro. You're so beautiful! Grimiz, you're so beautiful! I love your hair, by the way. You have lovely hair. Love it. Let's see if we can get another twosome. Dude, that's like the second twosome in a vehicle we just caught off guard. You know, we're probably just gonna get one megged with a M9 and not notice it either. That seems to be the thing right now. Where'd that Jeep go? uh, that's awesome, dude. Well, welcome people to the channel and to my new voiceover. I'm selling the DLC. Although we may get taken down by Zoe, I've sensed a cease and desist is coming to my awesome voiceovers. That, you know, they're just going to take them down because this is impeding on their IP. So even though they're going to be selling their sound DLC for $20, I'm going to undercut them and sell my sound DLC for like $5. And it's just going to be so much better. So much better. We're almost out of gas. Oh, we better kill the engine so they can't hear us. Blah, blah. They can hear us now. We're silent, guys. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No! My gun wasn't reloaded! My gun wasn't reloaded! Ah! He's definitely bandaging right now. He's bandaging so hardcore. Run, run, run. We're vetoing. We're aborting. Abort, abort, abort. Still a guy here. There's still a guy. I bet he's bandaging like right here. Oh my god. Oh my god, please. Please. I love you. Have my babies. Burn. Burn. Oh god, oh god, oh god. He wasn't there. Where'd he go? Burn, 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 burn. Oh, there he is. There he is, guys. Burn, 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 burn. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Run, run, run. Run. Run, 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 run. Oh my god, get in the Jeep. Run. Someone's shooting my Jeep. Someone's shooting my Jeep. I don't know where it's coming from. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Dead. Is that the guy shooting me? I don't know where the bullet's coming from. Run, run, run. Where do we have to go? Down here, actually. Run. Run, run. Run, run. We have no idea where this guy is. Run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Oh, there he is. There he is, guys. Run, run. He doesn't have a 9mm. Run. Run, run. Oh, God. Oh, God. That is so close to exploding. That is so close to exploding, it's not even funny. Inked my helmet, replace that shit, check. Good to go. Now we could grab the vehicle and instantly explode, or we can try and find this guy. I think we're just gonna huff it at this point. I think the vehicle has outlived its life like 10 times over. 10 times over. I love you, vehicle. You will always have a place in my heart. Big, red, beautiful thing that makes beautiful human sounds that come out of your engine. Oh, where'd he go, guys? Guys! Oh, he's like right there. Hey! Woo! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Bro! Bro! Are you alive? Bro! Bro! Win with me! Win with me! Woo! We both won. We both won the Silent Battle Royale.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Was this fun for you? Did you enjoy the Silent Battle Royale?
Oh yeah, that was really fun.
It's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Here with me, dude. Woo! Here with me. Woo! Oh, he's gone. There's 34. Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! And there is the No Sound Battle Royale win. There's the No Sound Battle Royale. The sound is terrible. Fuck you. My human sounds are amazing. My human sounds are amazing. That's 34, Marky. That is 34. I really don't try to win anymore, but if it kind of, the further along you get, the closer to winning you get, the more you try. It's basically the way it works for me. And I think it's actually a good way to play. So you play kind of, just sporadically in the beginning, just do whatever the fuck you want. And the closer you get to first place, the more you actually try to win it, right? And it makes it the most fun, at least for me. So you got to trade off between actually winning battle royales, and then, just, having fun, I guess, right? Woo! Woo! This people he meets. No one can hear, dude. Like, there's like, I was basically driving a stealth bus around. No one could hear my stealth bus until I was like right on top of them, and that was because I'm shooting them. Why am I playing without sound? I'm not. Battle Royale, it's like so we broke H1Z1. There's no game sound right now. Ben winning silent MLG. Maybe we should highlight that. We'll throw it up anyways, just because it's weird. I did one for the next gen Battle Royale where we basically won a Battle Royale by not attacking anyone, simply because whenever he shot, if you guys remember, a couple weeks or a month ago maybe, there was a bug when they released a patch. Every time you'd shoot anyone or be near anyone that's shooting, like, it would just crash the whole game. So we won a Battle Royale doing that by basically being nowhere near anyone and not attacking anyone and just running people over, which is actually hilarious because, like, people were crashing each other when they'd shoot at me. Like, they'd crash themselves and I'd be fine. So amazing. Yeah. Is it just Battle Royale? No. The sound pack should be... I know I'm going to sell it for $5, guys. $5. And I'm going to undercut the Zoe sound DLC. I'm going to undercut the shit out of it. And then they're going to... Yeah, the normal game's broken too. Normal game's broken too, guys. Undercut it. It's still broken. Planet Side 2 still has a bug where you shoot and it crashes the desktop. Of course it does.